Staring at a mountain of crusty plates, bowls, and forks stacked up in a tiny kitchen sink is an absolute buzzkill at the end of a long day. When you live in a cozy apartment, a college dorm, or you're out on the road in an RV, a massive, full-size dishwasher just isn't an option. Hand washing every single utensil uses up tons of your free time, dries out your skin, and honestly uses way more water than you think. The COMFEE Countertop Portable Dishwasher rescues you from the soapy sponge nightmare, packing heavy-duty cleaning power into a sleek, compact machine that sits right on your counter and handles the dirty work for you. What makes this space-saving appliance an absolute game-changer for small households is how much it actually holds despite its tiny footprint. It is designed to fit a surprising amount of daily dinnerware, easily accommodating up to 6 full place settings, including dinner plates, bowls, cups, and a cutlery basket. Instead of forcing a one-size-fits-all cycle on your dishes, it features 8 distinct washing programs tailored for real life. If you are in a rush to clear the counters during a get-together, you can trigger a rapid speed cycle to get things sparkling in under an hour. For parents, a dedicated baby care cycle uses high-temperature sanitation to keep bottles and pacifiers germ-free, while the delicate glass setting ensures your favorite wine stems come out crystal clear with zero cloudiness or spots. Setting it up is incredibly simple because it can connect directly to your standard kitchen faucet with a quick adapter hookup, meaning you don't have to hire a plumber or tear up your cabinets to get it running. On top of freeing up your evening routine, this little powerhouse carries an official Energy Star certification. That means it dynamically optimizes water usage and power draw to be far more efficient than washing by hand, saving you money on your monthly utility bills while maintaining an eco-friendly footprint. The modern black finish blends seamlessly into any contemporary kitchen aesthetic, while giving you back valuable counter space and total peace of mind. If you are ready to say goodbye to the dish rack clutter and finally reclaim your evenings, click the link below for the best price. Drop a comment below letting me know if you're shopping for an apartment, a dorm room, or an RV. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more practical home and compact appliance reviews, and I will see you in the next video.